do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all laws of the Republic of Kenya, that I will well and truly serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of Cabinet Secretary, that I will undertake to uphold my office as Cabinet Secretary in honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not divulge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, and that committed to my secrecy except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary, and that I will perform the function of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Your Excellency, I now invite the Honorable Dr. Alfred Nganga Mutua, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection.